told your friend you're not okay? And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I know you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.
All Dubai.
So guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel, Ardabs TV. Guys, kauban na to si YP. Nata diri sa lugar guys nga gi-preserve nga place nga makita gyapon na to ang Old Dubai. Guys, mag-walking ta karon og musakay ta sa Abra. Guys, kanang Abra nga gitawag nila guys munang old transport diri sa Dubai. Gipabilin gyapon nila nga nag-operate para magpabilin gyapon ang old culture nila. Guys, uban nimi ninyo sa mga adventure karon, manakay tag Abra. Share na ko sa inyo guys, mga nindot nga views o ang mga moment na mo dire ni YP. Guys, mag-selfie moment sa ta. Witik sa ta, banat og selfie. Guys, winter pa man karon nga panahon, gibati tag katugnaw, witik sa tag karakti. Guys, kanang naka-parking ng mga baruto, mga bangka, munang gitawag diri nga Abra. Guys, muna tong sakyan. Tara na, manakay na ta.
A few moments later.
Pila ba dali day?
What?
1 dirham? Ano sa mga sasili?
Pakyaw.
Till I look away, but I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay? Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Cause you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away. smile until I look away. But I've known you too long. It hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. As you fade away.
Guys, nidunggo na ta, namanatag sakay sa Abra. Karon guys, magbaklay-baklay ta, walking-walking, enjoy na tong moment diri. Akong kasulti sa mga adventure ni YP karon. Ang Dubai isa ka world famous nga place o well developed nga lugar. Pero guys, nagpa-serve nga na specific place na makita gyapon nato ang old Dubai, ilang old culture. Very nice o very great experience. Guys, i-share nako dire nga site, makita nato ang Dao. Muni siyang old version sa mga yati. Kahoy ni siya guys, nga bangka dako. Karon guys, magbaklay-baklay tayo, enjoy itong moment diri.
One eternity later.
Nagangking salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay o pagsuporta. At kung bago pa ka sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Don't forget also to hit the notification bell button para updated ka sa mga bagong videos. Hanggang sa muli, see you next time for more videos. Bye-bye!
Through the highways and